Hello friends, today I will give you new topic level of paging system. A number of questions has come in examination which is related to paging scheme, but how it will be solved? So at first you should identify the questions, that how it will solve, which method we can use here. Now start trick to solve level of paging scheme. Level of paging scheme. Single level paging scheme, it means it is divided into two parts. One part is called page number and another part is called offset. It means virtual address equal to page number plus offset. Second level paging scheme means two level paging scheme. It is divided into three parts. One part is inner page number, one part is outer page number, and other part is offset. It means virtual address represent equal to outer page number plus inner page number plus offset. Part 3 level paging scheme, it is divided into four parts. One part is outer two page number, one part is outer one page number, one part is inner page number, other part is offset. It means virtual address equal to outer two page number plus outer one page number plus inner page number plus offset. These are the trick to solve single level paging scheme, two level paging scheme, and three level. It is also called multi-level paging scheme. First of all, you can find out virtual address. Virtual address you will get it page number plus offset. Question number 1. Consider a three level page scheme. The page size is 4 kilobyte and page table entry size is 4 byte. The size of outermost page table is 4 byte. Give the division of virtual address space. According to given question, already mentioned three level paging scheme here, and page size is given 4 kilobyte, page table entry size is given 4 byte, and size of outermost page table is 4 kilobyte. So we know that according to formula, virtual address is divided in four parts in three level paging. Four parts. Topmost part is called outermost page number, second is called outer page number, and third is called inner page number, and fourth is called offset virtual address. Let the number of bit in virtual address we can find out. So let's assume that it is the n bit. So process size is equal to 2 to the power n byte. Virtual address equal to outer page number plus inner page number plus offset. These three combinations for two level paging scheme. And according to question given that page size equal to 4 kilobyte, it means 2 to the power 12 byte. It means offset equal to 12 bit. Number of page of process equal to number of page the process is divided. It means process size divided by page size. Process size has given 2 to the power n byte and divided by page size has given 4 kilobyte. It means 2 to the power n byte by 2 to the power 12 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 12 page. Now, we can find out next step number of page table entry in one page of inner page table. We know that according to formula, the number of page table entry in one page of inner page table equal to page size divided by page table entry size. Page size is already given 4 kilobyte and page table entry has been given, inner page table given 4 byte equal to 1 KB equal to 2 to the power 10 entry. Now number of bits required to search an entry in one page of inner page table means one page of inner page table contain 2 to the power 10 entry. Thus, number of bits required to search a particular entry in one page of inner page table equal to 10 bits. Inner page table size equal to inner page table keep track of the frames storing the page of process. Inner page table size equal to number of entry in inner page table into page table entry size. We know that number of entry in inner page table equivalent to number of page the process is divided into page table entry size. It means 2 to the power n minus 12 into 4 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 12 plus 2 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 10 byte. Number of page of inner page table equal to number of page the inner page table is divided, inner page table size divided by page size, inner page table size 2 to the power n minus 10 byte divided by 4 kilobyte equal to 2 to the power n minus 10 byte by 2 to the power 12 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 10 minus 12 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 22 page. Now these 2 to the power n minus 22 page of inner page table are stored in different frame of the main memory. Outer page table size, it means outer page table is required to keep track of the frames storing the page of inner page table. Outer page table size equal to number of entry in outer page table into page table entry size. Number of page the inner page table is divided into page table entry size. Number of page the inner page table is divided, it means 2 to the power n minus 22 into page table entry size given 4 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 22 plus 2 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 20 byte. Number of page of outer page table 1. Number of page the outer page table is divided equal to outer page table 1 size by page size. Outer page table size we have find out 2 to the power n minus 20 byte by page size is given 4 kilobyte equal to 2 to the power n minus 20 byte by 2 to the power 12 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 20 minus 12 equal to n to the power 2 to the power n minus 32 page. Now these 2 to the power n minus 32 page of outer page table are stored in different frame of the main memory. Number of page table entry in one page of outer page table 1, it means page size divided by page table entry size. This is the formula. Page size already has given 4 kilobyte and page table entry size has given 4 byte. It means it is 4 kilobyte divided by 4 byte equal to 10 kilobyte, 1 kilobyte equal to 2 to the power 10 entry. Number of bits required to search an entry in one page of outer page table 1. One page of outer page table 1 contain 2 to the power 10 entry. Thus, number of bits required to search a particular entry in one page of outer page table 1 equal to 10 bits. Outer page table 2 size, it means outer page table 2 is required to keep track of the frames storing the page of outer page table 1. Outer page table 2 size equal to number of entry in outer page table 1 into page table entry size. Number of page, the outer page table 1 is divided into page table entry size. Number of page, the outer page table, we can find out 2 to the power n minus 32 into page table entry size has given in question 4 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 32 plus 2 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 30 byte. But we are given outermost page table size equal to 4 kilobyte. Thus 2 to the power n minus 30 byte equal to 4 kilobyte. So 2 to the power n minus 30 equal to 2 to the power 12. It means n minus 30 equal to 12. So n equal to 42. Thus number of bits in virtual address equal to 42. We have find out here virtual address 42. Method 1. Number of bits required to search a particular entry in outer page table 2. It means number of bits in virtual address minus number of bits required to search in entry in outermost page plus number of bits required to search an entry in outer page plus number of bits required to search an entry in inner page table plus outer number of bits in page offset. It means number of bits in virtual address we can find out 42 bits. Number of bits required to search in entry of outer page 1 is 10 bit plus number of bits required to search an inner page table is 10 bit plus offset we can find out already 12 bits equal to 42 bits minus 32 bit equal to 10 bits answer. Method 2. Number of entry in outer page table 2 number of page the outer page table is divided equal to 2 to the power n minus 32 in we have already find out 2 to the power n minus 32. Here n we can find out n have 42 bit. It means 2 to the power 42 minus 32 equal to 2 to the power 10. Thus number of bits required to search a particular entry in outermost page table 2 equal to 10 bit answer.